Oh my yard man, put together this video for y'all. I trust that you all just like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, we're there Alan Bamboo, is it? Yeah man, you know me and my morning walk already. Yeah man, it's a blessed day man. The time cool and the bar. Yeah man, Jamaica yard life, I'm up and about. I'm there Mark Day. Yeah man, I take a quick sprint to link up with Kmart from Akichi Catering. Yeah man, Big Bro up and active from the other day. And he's at well, he's working at least at a restaurant. Yeah man. So I'm just go pop by and see what we can get for breakfast this morning. And you know, it's something go chat back on the work again. Because you have to do what you have to do. Most naturally. Yeah man. Come on yard man. It's a blessing. Alright. See what I'm going on yard. Up and active. Yeah man guys. Akichi there, yeah. Morning Empress. Man has no brother. How the funny menu there? Let's see. Everything up? Yeah man, something more of it. Consume like man. Yeah man, do that man. First one, you can just get like dumpling and banana and probably one piece of sweet potato. So y'all know the energy go guys, I put in my order from early. That is it man. Yo!
This man you come out?
Yeah man. But you may have to go and see if pick up the truck. You see, guys, we get the machine now, it's not so up, but I me have to pick up and yeah man. So I run a hard here, then I say I have to grab something for you to come up first. Yeah man. You want all the juice, you know, big? You want a juice, what type of juice today? Yeah man guys, my selection for juice this morning. Yeah. No, don't bag it up no more, I eat it right away. Thank you. You know guys, you just get the food. Yeah man, you know where something go. Let me show you all what's popping inside of the box. Thank you. Yeah guys, this is the presentation. This is it. You know, I'm a showdown like right now. Not hesitate guys, we're diving right away. Morning man. Run go have breakfast and run back to work.
Chubby, yeah. What?
A call box. Me away from the turn. Where one? Like too much? In. All of them? I call the first.
Hey, don't. Is it you?
Marby, all the hardware to be in fact for the area with to see if I can get another roast most naturally. Yeah man, no place like that, but you know it's a look. You can't come out around the corner there. Exactly free. Yeah man, people around us are feel that full face. No place like that man, it's a blessed day. We open our out and we just stay here and give thanks to life. As usual, and I stay positive amongst friends and family. Come on yard man, walk up and about with the poor work of the man. We just have a natural vibe, this island vibe. That is it.
Goods and services.
Multiplex goods and services. That is it. When about and they do some work on the truck. Me, Pitbull, them are, and family from Multiplex, you know where something go. Yeah man. See if we can get some proper lighting. Them are a ball, so you know see a night time. You know where something go. You have to go checking out the bulb one at the time in the future, but so you go. Come on yard.
Bad.
Active, active, bad bro. That is it.
Up top.
Yeah man, greetings guys. I trust that you all up and about and feeling fine. Yeah man, today we'll be on the road. Just doing the regular, I'd say. Yeah man. No place like yard. I'm gonna make a run towards Albion. Yeah man, I don't have anything to mount the camera on, so you know this something go. As we go along, we catch footages here and there. Yeah man, anytime I pull over and stuff like that, or anytime I'm not driving. Yeah man, because you know it's something go, you can't have the phone in your hand while driving. So in order to prevent accident and all of them mishaps, you know it's something go, safety comes first. Yeah man, so today we have 1.5 ton of steel to deliver to Albion. Yeah man, down by Albion. So gradually as we get there, I'll show you all exactly what's popping. But for now, we're up and active. It come my yard man, it's a blessed day. You know me already, always up and about and giving thanks to life. As usual, yeah man, once you get up and you have breath, trust me, there's a lot of persons out there right don't make it. So this morning and every morning to come and every morning y'all know my energy. Come my yard man. Yeah man, this is yard as is guys. We're up and about. It's a Bruce on a corner. Yeah man, you know it's something go. We end up like on the skate, but alive guys. Yeah man, sometimes you have ups and downs, so I end up have to sell the bike most naturally. Yeah man, just to make ends meet, but you know it's something go. No place like yard man. Up and active and we still have the goods them to carry go. Yalas. Yeah man, so up and active and we're going to take on the road in the next few minutes. Yes brother, bless up. Yeah man, Bruce I run out the guys. That is it man, no place like yeah. Yeah man, so aboard but the spacecraft and then take on the road guys. That is it. I want to say thank you guys for the support. If you watch the video to this far, yeah man, you all know the energy already. You're coming to an end. Yeah man. But you know it's something go. We open about and always there, yeah. I give thanks to life, man. Yeah man. This video that you're seeing right now, the guy that you see on this year bike. Yeah man. Them call him Short Man, you know. Yeah man, he's a very talented welder from St. Thomas, but gradually as we progress, you always see what Short Man bring to the table. But for now, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, it really does help. One love, one heart. This is Yard As Is.